Ever wondered how to signal to your readers that your Inkitt masterpiece has reached its grand finale? It's simpler than you think to mark your story as complete on Inkitt, ensuring your dedicated readers know exactly when to binge the whole saga. First, head over to your Inkitt account and navigate to the My Stories section. You'll find all your published works listed here. Once you've chosen the story you want to mark as complete, click on its title to access its individual dashboard and settings. Now, look for the Story Settings or a similar options area within these settings. You'll find a crucial option to change your story's status. This is where the magic happens. Click on the drop-down menu for Story Status, and you'll see several choices select Completed from this list. After you've selected Completed, make absolutely sure to click the Save Changes or Update Story button. This is a vital step to implement your choice. And there you have it. Your story will now be clearly identified as complete on your profile and within search results. This lets new readers know they're diving into a fully formed narrative and keeps your existing fans excited to revisit their favorite concluded tales. So go ahead, mark that final chapter and celebrate your completed Inkitt adventure.